The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. Welcome home. This home is located in the desired neighborhood of Bluebird Hills in Nixa, Missouri. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home sits on a 0.27-acre, landscaped private lot. You'll love the split floor plan and open concept that is perfect for entertaining. Relax on your deck or cozy up to the fireplace. Additional amenities include a 3-car garage and cellar added a storm shelter. Call today for your private showing.